everyone, my name is Miniseti. I hope you all are staying healthy. Today we are going to talk about introduction of sequence and series with arithmetic progression for mathematical economics. What do you mean by sequence? Arrangement of number with specific rules or patterns will be called sequence. Arrangement of number with specific rules or patterns will be called sequence. For example, here you can see this is sequence of equal difference 2. Difference between these two number is 2. Difference between these two number also 2. Difference between these two number is 2 and difference between these two number is also 2. So here you can see these number are arranged with the rule of difference 2. Similar you can see difference between these two number is 3. Difference between these two number is 4. Difference between these is 5. Difference between these is 6 and difference between these is 7. Here you can see these number are arranged with the rule of increasing difference. That means every number, arrangement of every number is based on some specific rules. That's why this will be called sequence. Any random arrangement of number will not call sequence, because arrangement of number with some rules or patterns will be called sequence. What is a series? Sum of terms in sequence will be called series. Sum of terms in sequence will be called series. That means when we add number of sequence, it will be called series. This is sequence. When we add number of sequence, it will be called series. Arithmetic progression is very important part of sequence and series chapter. That's why in today's video we will discuss about formulas and questions of arithmetic progression. First of all, what do you mean by arithmetic progression? Sequence of number where difference between consecutive terms is same will be called arithmetic progression. Sequence of number where difference between consecutive terms is same will be called arithmetic progression. And this is sequence. Here you can see difference between consecutive terms is same. Difference between these two number is 3. Difference between these is 3. Difference between these is 3. Difference between these also 3. So here you can see difference between consecutive terms is same. That's why this will be called arithmetic progression. Now you see formula to find nth or any term in AP. An equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. N represent number of term which we want to find. N represent number of term which we want to find. A is the first term of AP. Suppose this is a sequence of AP and this is the first term. So A is equal to first term. D is difference between consecutive terms, and formula of calculating D, second term minus first term. This is second term, this is first term. Second term minus first term is equal to D, or you can say that third term minus second term, or you can also say fourth term minus third term, because difference between consecutive term is same, so it doesn't matter. But D is difference between consecutive terms. Now we will solve one question. This is our question and we have to find 50th terms. We have to find 50th terms. That's why value of n will equal to 50. A is the first term of AP. First term is 4. That's why value of A is equal to 4. D is difference between consecutive terms, and we can calculate D when we minus second term from first term. Second term 14, first 4, and difference between 14 and 4 is equal to 10. So 10 will be called our D. Now we will put all this value in this formula. In place of n we will put 50. In place of A we will put 4. Again in place of n we will put 50. In place of D we will put 10. Now we will solve this, and when we solve this it will become equal to, here you can see, it will become equal to 494. 494 is the value of a 50th term. Now we will see formula to find nth term from the end of AP. This is formula. An equal to L minus n minus 1 into D. Here meaning of n and D are same as we earlier discussed. L represent last term. And this is our question, and we have to find 8th term from the end of AP. So here you can see last term is 184. So L is equal to 184. And we can calculate D when we minus a second term from first term. Second term 10, first 7. 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. So value of D is equal to 3. We have to find 8th term. That's why value of N is equal to 8. We have all this value, just put in this formula. So L equal to 184, N equal to 8 and D equal to 3. So when we solve this, it will become equal to, so here you can see, when we solve this, our answer will come 163. So 163 is the 8th term from the end of AP. Now we'll see formula to calculate sum of first n term of AP. This is formula Sn equal to n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here meaning of n, a and d are same as we earlier discussed, and this is our question. Find the sum of first 20 term of given AP. So here you can see we have to find sum of first 20 term. That's why value of n is equal to 20. First term is 5, so value of a is equal to 5. And we can calculate d when we minus second term from first term. Second term 10, first 5. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5, so value of d is equal to 5. We have all these values, just put in this formula. So now we have put all these values. N is equal to 20, A equal to 5. Again we put N is equal to 20, D equal to 5. And when we solve this, it will become equal to 1050. 1050 will be called sum of first 20 terms in this given AP. Now we will solve very simple problem of economics by using AP formula. Suppose a person save 100 rupees in first month. Second month he saved 200 rupees. Third month he saved 300 rupees. Fourth month he saved 400 rupees. Similar, he saved for 12 months and he increased 100 rupees every month. So we have to calculate total saving of 12 months by using AP formula. We will use this formula of AP. And here we have to find out total saving of 12 months. That's why value of n is equal to 12. First month saving is equal to 100. So value of a is equal to 100. Difference between second month saving and first month saving is equal to 100. So value of d is equal to 100. We have all these values, just put in this formula. So here you can see now we have put all these values. N equal to 12, A equal to 100, again we have put N equal to 12, D equal to 100, and when we solve this, it will become equal to 7800. That means total saving of 12 months is equal to 7800. So this is all about sequence and series. I think you got it, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye, take care.